Hello ladies and gentlemen, Jansen Fancher here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, showing you this 2017 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This trailer does come with it. It's a triple axle tandem trailer. We've got the power tower. Exterior is in pretty great shape. Got the hydraulic swim step here aft. Let's take a look inside. It's got the dune interior. There's that power tower. Grill. Teak table. Refrigerator underneath. Trash can. This seat does rotate and face everybody else. X-use joystick. Head. And great bow seating. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give us a call, 573-606-3029. As for Jansen, thanks and have a great day.